viewers, welcome back to another episode of Well Stable. For today, I'll be showing you how to prepare coconut macarons. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe at the end of this video. So viewers, when it comes to preparing the coconut macarons, the ingredients is quite simple and easy to prepare back home. So I already prepared the ingredients and they are as follows. So you require to have the desiccated coconut, 5 pieces egg white, we have the castered sugar, last but not least we have the blueberries. So one thing I like to point out is when it comes to the toppings, you can have like a variety, either if you have like the cherries, almond, everything, it depends with the choice of toppings that you prefer to prepare with. But this is a favorite for children and maybe if you have parties back home. So it all depends with your choice. So viewers, the first step of preparing the coconut macarons is to mix the desiccated coconut, castered sugar and the egg white in a bowl together. So we'll be putting the coconut, the castered sugar, and lastly the egg white. Then we are going to mix them together. So viewers, you have to mix until you make sure that it's properly mixed together. Then from here, I'll take you to the second step, which is we have to put it in we have to heat it. So guys, the second step is you take a pan and put on a low heat. And you can take the mix that you have already put together and put it in the pan. One most important thing is you have to mix it together, but make sure it's warm but it's not very hot. So just put it in it. And the fire you also have to regulate and make sure it's not very hot. The main thing is you just have to warm it only a little bit. So when it's a bit warm, you switch off the heat and let it to cool. Then afterwards we are going to place it in a baking tray and put it in an oven afterwards. So we are going to leave the mixture to cool before we go to the last step. So guys, after placing the sizing the macarons and putting them in the baking tray, we put the berries on top, and the next thing to do is to preheat the microwave oven, and you can put it inside for like 20 minutes After that one, the macarons will be ready. Already preheat the oven, so I'm just going to open and put them inside for like 20 minutes. So the thing is remaining is we just have to time for 20 minutes after. So guys, the macarons are ready. Already cooked. So these are the macarons. Guys, this is the final product. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on the button below.